My warmest greetings of the day to all of you. Honorable Chairperson, distinguished members of LMC, dear students, parents, and all the well-wishers of the school. My warmest good morning to all of you. I accord the red carpet welcome to the observance of the National Doctors' Day today, that the school is marking the occasion by organizing various competitive activities online. And it is overwhelming to say that several students have registered themselves for taking part in various competitive activities that are being offered to them as the platform of coming out, of showing their worth and expressing their gratitude to the angelic messenger of the Almighty God, that is the doctors. Let me tell you that the idea of celebrating the Doctors' Day was conceived first by the USA, and the United Nations celebrated the first Doctors' Day in the year 1933. Though various countries celebrate the Doctors' Days in their own dates that they have fixed, India has determined 1st of July to be the National Doctors' Day, and it started to be observed in the year 1991, 1st of July, that happens to be the birthday and coincidentally the death anniversary also of legendary physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was not only an iconic doctor but also a veteran and committed politician, hard-working statesman who served West Bengal as the second Chief Minister of the state. As the Chief Minister, his contribution to the state was immense. His contribution as a doctor was such that the country decided to observe the National Doctors' Day on his death and birth anniversary, that is the 1st of July every year. And ever since 1991, the country is observing with a lot of gratitude and commitments to pay tribute not only to Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy but also to express gratitude and gratefulness to all the doctors who have come to this earth for a special mission. The Almighty sent them as His angels to render a rare service, first-rate service to the society, and I am sure they are doing justice to it. They are working hard, they are industrious, and they are showing their worth as a true gardener by keeping the beautiful garden, magnificent garden ever created by the Almighty, and the plants and flowers and the fruits which are appearing on this earth in the form of human beings. So, gratitude goes to the doctors for being amazing and unique creature of God who has never compromised for anything. He has always been showing his availability for the sake of the service of the humanity, and By observing the National Doctors Day, we express our gratitude. The school acknowledges the services that they are rendering and treading the path of humanity, benevolence, humanism, and self sacrifice, which I must say all are synonymous with the doctors. If we talk about the contributions made immensely by the doctors, can well be reflected in the sense of services that they have rendered during this turbulent time of COVID cause pandemic. They have put into stake their life. They didn't care for what would happen to their life and their family. They, like the first and frontline warriors, came like valiants, and in this battle, in this war with Corona, if there has been any commander, if there has been any fighter, I must say the doctors are really the feisty fighter who are the risk-taking people, risking always their lives and saving the lives of other people. So they deserve special mention, and the whole school family and fraternity give all the doctors across the country a standing ovation. Hats off to them for what they have done to us all. They have shown that they are with us. We people don't need to be worried whatever Corona can change its form in variants and Delta form and all that. So, by observing the National Doctors Day today, we express sincerest gratitude to them. Thanks to all of you for giving us the association, collaborating with the school and making it a grand success. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am Srishti Kumari of class 7C, and today I am here to tell you that what things I was kept in my first aid kit. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The first thing that I have kept in my first aid kit is this. This is a surgical or medical tape. It is used for dressing onto a wound. The second thing is this. This is a spray bandage, water and resistant. This convenient transparent protection. The shield is waterproof and give multi-day protection. The third thing I will have is pain relief spray. This pain relief spray is.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Aniketa from class 6B. Today I am celebrating Doctors' Day, dated on.
Good afternoon, respected principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Swastik Raj from 6B, and I have made a first aid box on occasion of Doctors' Day, which is on 1st.
Ma'am, I am Radha Pandey, roll number 26, class 1A.
Today I am going to show you my first aid box which I have made on the occasion of National Doctors Day.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Sparsh Verma of class 7C. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, I have made a first aid box. So let's...
Teachers, myself Rishika Gupta, roll number 18 of.
Hello, I am Dr. Arushi Sharma. I work in hospital. I am Dr. Shanvi.
Good afternoon.